Hello everyone, I just came out of nowhere. Anyways, my name's Omi and I'm a DJ. Yay! So, welcome to my channel, and today this video is going to be about how to get gigs in nightclubs. So enjoy this video and thank you for watching. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys on what I did to get gigs in the DJ industry. And I'm sure that a lot of you don't know that I'm from Sydney, Australia, and I started DJing in 2015. I went to Sydney DJ school, which was located on Stanmore. I think it's still there. And the reason why I wanted to become a DJ because I was inspired by somebody. So what happened is that I used to be a party boy back in the days, and I used to go to that club every week. I enjoyed what the DJ played to the crowd, and I asked myself, if they can do it, why can I do it? So I began my research on how to become a DJ, and then after that I found this school called Sydney DJ School. That's where I started to learn the basics on how to beat match, how to read the crowd, and tips and tricks on how to get more gigs. Step number 1, the most important thing before you do anything to get a gig is to make sure you create a social media platform such as Instagram, Facebook. That is very important. And also make a mixtape of yourself, so that way people can listen to your mixtape, look at your socials, and see what you do to your brand. Treat yourself like a business. Let's say you want to open a business and you want people to come in. You want people to know what your business is, right? Treat it like that. Step number 2, do things that you don't feel like you want to do it. So for example, when I first started DJing, I actually didn't know who to look for, who should I approach to get gigs in the club. So what I did is that I had to ask around promoters by sending emails, mixtape to them, and at the end of the day, it was actually a very difficult time because none of them would get back to me. And the reason why, because nobody knew who I was. So what I did, instead of having to approach venues saying who I am, I started to do mobile DJing. Well, mobile DJing is pretty much buying your own equipment, putting the equipment into your car, then driving up to the specific location. You set up your equipment and then you start playing in that area. And how I started doing that is by making my own profile online using Wix.com. So I set up a business number as well, and then I wrote a blog about myself on what I do, what I can provide. And as that went on, things actually started to go well. People started knowing what I do and they appreciate my service. At the end of the day, as a mobile DJ, the number one thing I learned is that you need to give clients what they want. For example, if you really want to make your clients happy, it's better that you tell them that what song do you want me to play for you in order to satisfy everyone's needs. You do that, you email them, and then they'll tell you what they want. Another important thing about as a mobile DJ, make sure you make a business card. So every time you finish with your clients, always hand out your business card so next time they can book you in again. Step number 3, always make a mixtape no matter what you do. The reason why I'm saying that, because in my experience, I used to make mixtape every week and put on Mixcloud and SoundCloud. And every time I do that, I do get a lot of listeners from different venues and clubs, and they should reach out to me because they really like my mix. And another thing that I want to tell you guys is that try not to do the same genre all the time. So when I first started doing mixing, I used to keep doing EDM all the time, and that kind of felt like I didn't really go anywhere. So what I did is that I actually had to experiment. So for experimentation, what I mean by that is trying out different genres. So instead of sticking to one genre all the time, try out different genres just such as R&B, hip hop, trap, dubstep. Because let's say that you want to go and play in a club venue, right? And they expect you to play an R&B hip hop, but you have no experience on how to play that genre. So you're going to screw up. What do you do next? Exactly. That's why it's best to always try out different genres before you do anything else. Step number 4, always post a gig on social media. Reason why I'm saying that is because let's say you got a mobile gig tomorrow, and even though you feel like it's not a big deal, it can be. Because a lot of people want to know what you do. They want to know that you're a DJ, but what else do you do? Where do you go? And if you want to expose yourself even more, that's the only way to do it, from my experience. The more you do that, people will start looking at you more differently, they start respecting you, and then they realize that you're a hardworking person. So step number 5, don't jerk off all the time and be lazy. Because as a DJ, you want to push yourself even more, right? You want to expose yourself even more and more. And you'll be looking back at yourself and you'll be like, wow, I came a long way. And step number 69, no. Once you've established yourself as a mobile DJ and you have enough followers on Instagram and Facebook, this is when you can kind of start to approach venues and nightclubs. So what I did is that all I had to do was send a mixtape to different venues by emailing them, and then approach the venues, see what they do over there, go there weekly. And also I used to hang out with a lot of DJs in different venues, so I used to approach them and I just have a normal conversation with them. For example, it's like you're trying to pick up a girl in the club. Have a conversation with the DJs if you want to get more gigs in there. You tell them who you are, and then you just tell them that I really enjoy your music, etc. You go from there. It's like you're developing a good relationship to the club and to the people that's in the venue, because that's what they really look for. Another advice I would like to give to you guys is that do not quit your 9-to-5 job just to be a DJ. Unless you want to be a producer or you want to really push yourself out there and gain more exposure, go ahead, good luck. And also, things take time, be patient. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll probably be posting more tips and tricks about this industry. If you have any questions or any advices, feel free to pop in the comments below. And as you know that my voice is sounding a little bit different because I'm a bit sick. No, I don't have the coronavirus. So thank you again, and see you in the next video. Peace.